Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to write multiple lines of text inside a single cell in Microsoft Excel. Usually, when you type in Excel and press Enter, your cursor immediately moves down to the next cell. But what if you want to stack your text inside the exact same box? Here is the most direct way to do it. First, double-click on the cell where you want to add your text. Type your first line. Now, here is the trick. Place your cursor exactly where you want the line to break. Instead of just pressing Enter, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and then press Enter. If you are using a Mac, you will press Option and Return. You will notice your cursor has dropped down to a new line inside the exact same cell. You can now type your next line. You can repeat this shortcut, Alt and Enter, as many times as you need to create 3, 4, or more lines. Once you are finished typing everything, simply press Enter on its own to lock it in. Excel will automatically adjust the row height to fit your new lines. There is also a second automatic method. If you already have a long sentence in a cell and want it to fit without making the column wider, just select the cell. Then go to the Home tab at the top of your screen and click the Wrap Text button. Excel will automatically stack your words to fit the width of the column. And that is it. 2 fast ways to keep your spreadsheets clean and organized. If this quick tip helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.